Are you finding yourself more into problems in your life than solutions? Are you focusing more on your problems than your solutions? If so, then this video is for you. To start with, this is a very good news for you that you are already aware of the problems which are happening in your life. Once you are into this level, it is that you need to just go further 2 steps and then you will be finding solutions for your problems. So this is the awareness stage where you are already knowing that you are facing some sort of challenges or problems in your life. So moving on to the second stage, which is the acceptance stage, because it happens that a lot of people do not identify or get into the awareness mode of what the problem is. So once you are getting through this, that you are already aware of your problem, you are going to this second stage, which is the acceptance. As long as you are in the denial mode, not accepting what the problem is, what the challenge is, you are not taking the necessary action, which will be the third step. So now once you are in the second stage, you are accepting that, yeah, I have this problem, I have this challenge which I need to sort out, which I need to solve so that I overcome and move up in life. So once you are accepting, the acceptance is the second stage and you are not denying that. And once you are doing this, you are making way to the third stage, which is the taking action stage. That is where the real life situations happens. That is, you find the solutions to your problems, to your challenges in this stage. That is the action stage. So to move further, there is a research which says that we as human beings shuffle between two motivators, that is avoiding pain and gaining pleasure. But the research also shows that we are more prone towards, we are more inclined towards avoiding pain rather than gaining pleasure. So as soon as we are into some problem, we find that we need to find some solutions. But before that, we are not concerned about what is happening and things are going haywire. So this is one of the research which says that about how we are inclined towards solving the problems rather than gaining pleasure out of our whole life. So as you have seen that we are in the situation where pandemic and lockdown and all those things, people are not getting the earnings which they are, which they were getting before. So I have a list of some of the challenges which people are facing in the real world, and they have mentioned that to just club them in one place, I would be reading this. The few of the challenges and problems where people finding themselves difficult to cope up are a threat to spread. There is a threat to spread COVID at home. There is not getting motivated because of work stress, financially broke, kids' education is stopped, kids' future is under threat. Due to finances and kids at home, no peace at home. People are becoming aggressive and they are becoming obese because no movement. And there's also massive mobile usage because psychological problems are also erupting, and also the sleeplessness, that is insomnia. Moving on, there is laziness, there is egoism, there is discrimination, there is lack of guidance in the community, and also there is a lack of skilled personnel to guide people. And there is also lack of mentorship to bring out the best in the best capabilities from a person, from individuals. There is a lot of family dispute and also losing mental peace, no consistency in productive work, spreading and worrying about the worldly affairs rather than looking also at the looking in the hereafter. There is one more pattern which is repeated, that is people are getting addicted to social media and show off. People are finding themselves aggressive. The behavior is anger, angry behaviors, and also aggressiveness. And they are stressed out, and there's a lot of mismanagement of time. There is a depression, there is peer pressure, there is people are looking for happiness, and also there is a imbalance of family life and work life, and there is a lot of other things which are going on in life. There is frustration, there's unemployment, and there is a lack of physical activity and exercise. So these are some of the challenges which people are facing in day-to-day life when it comes to the pandemic. So where does the solution lies? Is it something which lies outside of yourself, or is it something which is lying inside your own self? So what would be your answer? Let's come out with your answers and type your questions, type your answers below in the chat box or below in the comment box. So I have a suggestion for you that once you think that all the problems which you are facing in your life are something which are lying inside yourself and not in the outer environment. So soon you realize this, you will find that you are taking control of your challenges or the problems you are facing. And once you are taking this responsibility, you're also getting accountable for that. And once you are taking the responsibility and getting accountable for your challenges, for your problems, you are finding that this is something in control of your own self, and you can take action, necessary action, required actions, which will help you to overcome this challenge. But in contrast, if you find that these are all the problems which are because of so and so reasons, and you have a plethora of reasons, that the environment is not good, there is a lot of lack of opportunities, there is a COVID going on, there is pandemic and all those things, and there is a lot of stress and all those things. And then once you are into these reasons and the explanations as why things are not happening the way you want, then you are finding that it is something which is outside of yourself and not in your own self. So once you realize this, get into the awareness mode that these are the things which you need to personally take care of by taking action, by accepting it and then taking action, then you will find that you are getting the solutions out of your own self, and you are getting the resources required to cope up that challenge and move up in life. So this is about something about the challenges which you are facing and how you can cope up. Apart from this, coming to the solution side, people are finding that they are in the lacking mode. But once you realize that whatever is happening in life, there is still a lot of gratitude, which is there's a lot of thankfulness for your creator. You will find that apart from whatever is happening, you still are getting what is required to live a life of prosperity as well as live a life of purpose. So once you are in the mode of gratitude, thankfulness, you will find that you are actually achieving a lot, and you are finding the good things out of your life, and you are focusing on the positive, the strengths, the opportunities, the possibilities which are happening, which is making your life beautiful and amazing. So look on the positive side, and for this you are bound to take some notes for yourself, wherein you are writing each and every day some of the blessings which you are getting each and every day from your creator, from your family members, and from the humanity itself. So once you are doing this type of exercise, it will help you to boost your immunity. It will help you to have a positive mindset. You will find that you are being optimistic in your life. And then there is as well a lesson for us that you are seeing a lot of people leaving this temporary world and getting into the eternal world. And this is also a reminder, a good reminder for each one of us, for me and for all others, for you and for all others, that this life is short-lived, and the ultimate life is the life which is yet to come. So whatever the challenges we are facing here is temporary, and the permanent abode is that we are going to meet our creator. And for this, whatever the preparations we are required here, we need to take the necessary actions for that, so that we are gaining the pleasure of our creator in the hereafter and in this world. And for this, what we have to do is we need to find the purposeful, meaningful steps, and also the priorities of our life which are required, so that we make our life self-fulfilling and also a life of purpose and life of goals. So once you are doing this, you are actually making your life easier. Coming towards this last point in the solution side is that whenever you are focusing on something or the other thing, it is what is that where your attention goes, the energy flows there. So now the question arises, what you are focusing upon? Either is it your solutions or is it your problems? So once you are focusing on your problem, then you are just skipping the solution side. So focusing on the solution side and sorting out your problems will help you to gain momentum, and also you are finding that you are gaining the momentum, and you're also finding you as an optimistic person and spreading the positive energy in yourself as well as in your people around yourself. So these are few of the tidbits which will help you to gain the insights of where are you standing right now and what are the things which you need to take. To summarize the solution side, we need to see that the gratitude characteristic we need to inculcate and practice it each and every day, and also see that to realize that each and every day that we are moving towards closer towards our eternal world, and for this what are the preparations which we are making so that we are actually finding that we have done our part in this world so that we are reaping the results in the hereafter. So this is all about the solutions as well as the problems and the challenges, how you can overcome that. And if you have found this video helpful, please do share your comments. Please share this video with the loved ones or the ones who will find this helpful. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. I haven't introduced myself. My name is Syed Mutasim, and I'm a mind shift specialist, and I coach people in overcoming their emotional and mental challenges. So if you are finding that you are requiring some sort of one-to-one coaching, then please do not hesitate to contact us and we will be helping you out in your endeavors. So Jazakallah khair. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another powerful video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.